panels, we need to believe the fictional media give us emotion to assume that the story is really epic and it's relate to our life. Sometimes we believe that the condition in the media truly happen in our reality. Like every black people with their style of talking, their style of fashion, their style of everyday, always considered as a rough person that ready to put a gun on your head. While that is not true, not every black people like that. But in movie we always seeing like that the black people that have a rough talking, rough gesture is always have a criminal background or criminal criminal action, while that is not really happen, ladies and gentlemen. It's just the assumption that movie give to us. So if you see the motion, this house regrets the portrayal of disadvantaged group as antagonists in fictional media. The first thing we must know is disadvantaged group. The disadvantaged group is the group of people that have a right of poverty, social exclusion, discrimination, and violence. They are usually living in not good environment, different with the people in city that have a good environment. So disadvantaged group is the people that have a not really good quality of life, but the advantaged people is people that live in the city and have a good quality of life. And also, the second key that we was to know that is in fictional media. Fictional media is a media unreal, like movie, cartoon, series, and etc. So a lot of people like, but a lot of people like to watch while the fictional media is unreal. So if we see by this motion, we regret because of the media always give a portrayal that disadvantaged group is a antagonist in fictional media, that a lot of people like to watch. So a lot of people will give more assume that the disadvantaged group is really antagonist in real life. Because of what? Because of the feeling of that great or epic story in fictional media give us assume that it's really happened in reality, while not. So the problem is, by this, if we let the movie give us assume that every disadvantaged group is a bad person that do violence and etc. It will cause more discrimination and advantaged people by the advantaged people to disadvantaged people. Because of what? Because their perception from watching what always happen in the movie, like what I said before. So we are, as a government, we regret the classification of role in movie like this. This is shouldn't happen, ladies and gentlemen, and we believe disadvantage should have more love and attention from people, ladies and gentlemen. They shouldn't receive the discrimination. So we are going to our argument. We have 2 point of argument, which is the first is why disadvantaged people is not always bad, and also the second is about discrimination. Going to the first argument, disadvantaged people is not always bad. Why I can say like this? Because it's just some of them do the violence and etc. Of course, it's for a reason. Because of what? Because of their in reality, we're talking in reality, right? There's just some of them that do the violence, because the data show us that the violence is high in the disadvantaged area. That's true, but their background from that case is because of their difficulty and pressure in life. It's because their pressure in life, ladies and gentlemen. And also, it's just some of them. Not every of disadvantaged people is always always do the violence. Actually, most of them is kind and love peace and always respect their life, ladies and gentlemen. Always respect each other and always share each other each other, and we get the fact that in the disadvantaged area, it's in the disadvantaged group, they respect each other. Is more is more big than what is happen in the city, that every people is less of the social moral, ladies and gentlemen. But in the disadvantaged area, they are more close each other, and close each other, and the respect is more high than in the city area. And also, so by this we are seeing that disadvantaged people is not always bad. They just the violation is just because they have a pressure in life, like they have a lot of need, but they can serve that and the difficulty of their life. So that's not true that every disadvantaged people is bad. Now going to our argument. Going to our second argument, discrimination. Why we talking about discrimination? Because the more we believe the movie, the more we do discrimination. Why I can say like this? Because of what? in reality, just a few advantaged people want to visit this advantaged area. Like they just we can or we can see that not every people in advantaged area want to visit disadvantaged area. Seems like on the on on yeah, disadvantaged area like slum area. Because of what? Because of this gas, they scare and their fear of the people of disadvantaged area. So this means it's a big discrimination by the advantaged people to disadvantaged people. Because of what? Because they're always seeing in the fictional media, like in the TV, the movie, in the every media, like that disadvantaged area have a high violence, have a high poverty, have a slum area. So this is give more discrimination, while actually the disadvantaged people should receive more love and should receive more attention from people. Because of what? Because they are struggle in their life, right? They need the help from the advantaged people. But what is happen in reality? But the advantaged people don't want to visit the disadvantaged people, ladies and gentlemen. This is the problem that we face now. It's just like disadvantaged people feel disgust and don't want care about disadvantaged people. This is what we prefer. This is what we regret in our statement, ladies and gentlemen. So that's why we are proposed.